The first two videos in this series had loads of technical problems. Wind noise, lost footage, so much so I nearly gave up on the whole thing. But we'd ridden the whole length of the A483. 3 of us, 2 bikes, 1 car, and that story deserved to be told properly. So I went back and I re-edited the videos and added narration.
Oh, we're so close to fulfilling the task of the journey and completing the full length of the A483.
And we finished what we started. This is part 3, the better one of the bunch. Not perfect by any means, but start here if you're new and then go back and watch the other 2 videos. They're well worth it. It was a fantastic ride out.